Okay, yes, my name is Itumeleng Atham Khaicho. I am the former manager legal services at Masilonyana Local Municipality. On the 29th of September 2024, I laid a criminal charge against Michelle Sello as well as Mujalefa Matlole. Michelle Sello was the acting municipal manager from December 15th, 2023 until between June and July 2024. And Mujalefa Matlole became the municipal manager from September 2023, and he's still currently the municipal manager. Now, both of them have not been making regular payments to the pension fund on my behalf. Remember that at the end of every month on my salary, there is an amount that is deducted, which now goes to the pension fund. And there is an obligation upon a municipal manager to pay over that money that is deducted from my pension fund to the from my salary to the pension fund. And both of them have not been doing that. In fact, they have not even been paying the employer's contribution, which they are statutorily obligated to do, over to the pension fund. And what is happening currently is that apart from the criminal case that I've laid against them on the 29th of September, I have also lost a civil case at the regional court in Masilonyana, where I am claiming all the money that have been deducted from my salary together with the contributions that the municipality was supposed to pay. Now, in that civil case, J.J. Matlole, as is commonly known, decided actually to hire lawyers to oppose the application that I'm making for the municipality to pay the pensions that they have not been paying over. So he's actually using the public money to fight his own personal battles and to fight Michelle Sello's own personal battles, as well as that of the mayor, Makimudise. And I will explain later why do I say that. But in short, instead of paying me what is due to me, he then decided to hire the lawyers from Patwani Henny Attorneys, which, of course, if you know, lawyers from Patwani Henny Attorneys do not come cheap. And the criminal case I have laid, it is because in terms of the Pension Funds Act of 1956, there is an obligation upon an employer to pay over the pension funds, the money that is deducted from employees together with the employer's contribution to the relevant pension funds. And that has not been happening. Apart from Section 49 of the Pension Funds Act making that kind of failure a criminal offense, it is also a fraudulent offense for you as the municipal manager to make it reflect on a person's salary advice that a certain amount has been deducted with the understanding that it will be deposited over to the relevant pension fund. But that such is not done. It's actually also a fraud. That is why now I have laid this criminal case, and I have also instituted a civil case which now J.J. Matlole is actually defending with the public funds. Now, the reason why they decided to hire lawyers to fight me when I have to get what is rightfully mine, it is because of a report that I previously wrote against Michelle Sello. In that report, where I detailed allegations of her own corrupt activities. And when JJ came over to be the municipal manager, he refused to take any action against Michelle, even though there's overwhelming evidence that is presented, that is there. There was an investigation done by an independent disciplinary board which found that the allegations that I made were true, but nothing is being done against Michelle Sello. Instead, the municipality, through JJ, through the mayor, Makimudise, through Michelle herself, has instead decided to victimize me for the report that I wrote against Michelle Sello. Now, that is the long and short of it about the criminal case and the civil case.